Hello and welcome to this course on ElasticSearch and Enterprise Search Engine. This course on ElasticSearch is one of the first courses within the ELK Stack course series. If you have ever had to search for a product on an e-commerce website by its title or description, if you ever had to find a similar text in a body of crawled web pages, or search through a post on a blog, you must have wondered if there was a search tool which could make this job easy. In this course, we will focus on one such enterprise search engine, the free and popular framework called ElasticSearch. You will learn about the functionality provided by this excellent framework and explore the technology in depth in a hands-on manner. We hope you find this information useful for your projects and organizations. We are always on a lookout for great inputs and ideas and would love to know your thoughts about the course and the technology discussed within. Let's begin exploring this incredible tool.